Indian economy during reform. The emergence of foreign direct investment or FDI and foreign institutional investments or FIIs. India announced sweeping relaxations in foreign direct investment or FDI rules in single brand retail and other areas, besides allowing overseas carriers to acquire as much as 49% of Air India to help speed up its divestment. Overseas retailers can now delay having to meet the 30% local sourcing norms by 5 years, removing. India led other emerging markets in drawing overseas funds for its equities in March, with foreign investors buying $2.06 billion of local stock in the market, in which Bandhan Bank and ICICI Securities sold their shares locally for the first time. About 40% of foreign institutional investor or FII funds went into initial public offerings, IPOs, with the initial share sales in the two financial companies acting as the primary drawcard. Growth in agriculture and employment generation. With the basic thrust on higher growth in food grain production and other agricultural commodities, increase in productivity and efficient use of resources in agriculture has received special emphasis all through the process of the development since independence. Sustainable agricultural production depends on the judicious use of natural resources, soil, water, livestock, plant genetic, fisheries, forest, climate, rainfall and topography in an acceptable technology management under the prevailing socio-economic infrastructure. Reforms and fiscal policies. Fiscal policy has been a critical component of the policy framework pursuing since the initiation of economic reforms in India in 1991 to achieve the objectives of economic growth, price stability and equity. In 2004-2005, the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management (FRBM) Act was passed to reprioritize the public expenditure, being aligned with the revenue-led strategy of fiscal consolidation.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.